Hey all my creatives, my name is Tiffany and I'm here today with a quick tutorial on how to paint an ocean and beach. This is perfect if you're looking for some art that won't take up too much of your time or money, but still looks great when it's all said and done. Real quick, don't forget to click the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Alright, let's get started. So, of course, you first want to start with all of your materials. You're going to need a canvas, 3 different color blues, 2 different color browns or beiges or golds, white paint for the foam on the waves, some cups for mixing and popsicle sticks, gloves, an apron, and a heat gun. And also you want to mix your paint and your medium, and I use Floetrol for this piece as the medium. So as you see right here, I began with the sand, using the gold for the wet sand and the beige for the dry sand, and I'm just using my blow dryer to blend those two in. Next, I poured the first section of the ocean with the darkest blue, and then I'll pour the second section with turquoise, and the third section with light blue. So one thing that I learned while I was creating this piece is that I want to use less paint for the ocean part of the piece. So ideally, as I'm pouring these different color blues, instead of there being so much paint that all blues are touching, what I want to try is putting less paint where you will be able to see the canvas before you blend everything, and then it'll give the paint more space to blend and not overtake the next color. So if you look closely, you'll be able to see the bubbles that are in the paint, and that's why I'm using my heat gun to go ahead and pop those bubbles before I start blending. So here you'll see that I'm just starting to blend all of the colors in the ocean, and you'll see in a minute what I mean by overtaking the other colors. There's so much turquoise on this canvas that it kind of steals the show. So I think the next piece that I do with the beach scene, I'll use less of the blues so that I can blend it more, and you'll be able to see the blending of the colors better. So here, I'm just adding some white, and I will say another thing that I personally did not like, I think I added too much white for the foam on the waves, and what I'm going to do again for the next piece is use way less white, and I'm also going to add the white before I start blending anything, and then I'm just going to go ahead and blend everything at one time. So this is the last step, is the blending process, and I'm using my blow dryer because this is a bigger piece, and it was just easier for me to do bigger areas of the canvas with my blow dryer. So I think it came out pretty okay. Let me know what you think down in the comment section, and I will definitely be doing another beach painting. This is just, again, practice. This is actually a canvas panel. It's not a regular canvas, and I use canvas panels for practice purposes. So I'm definitely going to continue practicing my beach and ocean scenes. All right, here's the mock-up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to click the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. All right, see you next time, guys. Bye.